Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. For measuring voltage of any circuit, potentiometer is preferred to voltmeter because students इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा जा रहा है that वोल्टेज मेजर करने के लिए हम पोटेंशियोमीटर को वोल्टमीटर के ऊपर प्रीफर क्यों करते हैं. For that, please note the key concept of this question. This is voltmeter. What is voltmeter? It is a device which works on the principle of finding a null point where galvanometer shows no deflection. So students, let's see the construction of potentiometer. This is the copper wire of generally 1 meter length and uniform cross section. And here is a cell of EMF E and its internal resistance R. It is connected with galvanometer and through jockey it is touched at different points. Let's say it was touched at point A. So at point A it was seen that galvanometer showed deflection in this direction. When this jockey is touched at point B, galvanometer showed deflection in this direction. But galvanometer, when this jockey is touched at point C, galvanometer showed no deflection. That is, it remained straight. So student, from here it was observed that potentiometer do not draw any current from external circuit. By external circuit, what I mean? This is the external circuit, students. Current I must be flowing through this copper wire resistance across XY. Moreover, when it do not draw any current, so it do not waste the potential difference across the internal resistance of a cell. Hence, it gives accurate measurement over voltmeter, because voltmeter when connected in circuit it draws some current, hence that current is lost in resistor for maintaining the potential difference across that resistor, hence it do not give the exact reading which we want. Correct option to this question is option C. The potentiometer almost draws no current from measurement. I hope आपको ये concept समझ आया students. Thank you.